Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you quality. You just took it off the line on Molly.
Good morning. Okay, my lovelies, so I'm actually very hungry. You guys know the drill. Today I'm gonna show you how to make my amazing amaranth bowl. Amaranth is packed with so many great things for your body. It's also alkaline, and it will replace your oatmeal, your cream of wheat, and your porridge, and it's super easy to make. And yeah, we're about to get right into it because you know I'm hungry. So let's get into it. So the ingredients are super simple. You're just gonna need some roasted coconut chips, some amaranth, a fresh mango or whatever fruit you decide, some coconut milk, some date syrup or agave, some sea salt, and some cinnamon, and that's it. All right, and then pretty much you're gonna do 1 cup of amaranth to about 2.5 cups of coconut milk. If you like your porridge or whatever you want to call this, your bowl, less liquidy, you could add a little bit less liquid, but I usually do about 2.5 cups of coconut milk. Then I'm just gonna add my cinnamon, and I'm just gonna do a couple dashes of that just for some added spice. And then I'm just gonna do a dash of sea salt just to balance out the sweetness. And then I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons worth of date syrup, I'm sorry, because I like my bowls sweet, but again, definitely do it to your preference. Then you're just gonna mix everything up nicely, and you're gonna leave this uncovered, and you're going to bring this to a boil uncovered, okay? So just leave it, and once you see that it's boiling, like so, put the cover over it and put the top on and allow it to simmer for 25 minutes, okay? When that timer goes off for 25 minutes, like this, that means your amaranth is ready. So I'm just stirring everything up, like so. All right, so I let this simmer for 25 minutes, and I like mine pretty liquidy, but if you don't have to use as much coconut as I did. It's definitely up to you. But now I'm just gonna taste it and make sure it's sweet enough. Definitely sweeten to your liking. I like sweetened porridges, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more date syrup, about another teaspoon. And then once you blend everything up, you know, if you decide to add more date sugar, it's done. It's that simple, like the quickest meal ever. So I'm topping mine with some fresh mango and some coconut chips, but you could top it with whatever toppings you want, or you don't need toppings at all. But sometimes I do some sauteed apples and peaches with walnuts, and I'll top that on it. But today I just kept it real simple and real fresh, and look how beautiful this bowl is. And it's super, super filling. So definitely look up the benefits of amaranth because it's absolutely amazing for you. So this is it. This is my lovely amaranth bowl, and I'm so excited because I'm so hungry. It's so good. It's so good for you. I topped it with mango and some coconut flakes, and it's absolutely amazing. Of course, you could put nuts on this. You could put other dried fruit or fresh fruit like I did. Whatever your little heart desires. You could switch out the date syrup for agave, and it will still be just as amazing. So I'm about to go eat. Bye guys. And like usual, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JamexicanBeauty, and hit that subscribe button. Bye guys.